Hello, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, we're talking about how to use Iraq withdrawal method on Lollipop Live app. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Lollipop Live account. The next thing is to click on the Me icon found at the bottom of your screen. Click on the T-point option. So right here on my T-point option, I just have to click on Cash Out option. Click on Withdraw. Now I have to select the currency type by clicking on the Select option. Scroll, I'm going to see the Iraq withdrawal method. I just have to click on it. Now the next thing I have to do is to select the payment method by clicking on the Select option. So there is no payment method for Iraq yet on my Lollipop Live app. If you want to make a report, you just have to screenshot it, head straight to your feedback and make your request, and also upload the screenshots, make your polite requests on the space provided. Having done that, if you can't wait for the request to be replied, and you're sure you have any other account number like PalmPay, paper account number, you can just go back to the withdraw option and select paper account number and select paper withdrawal method in order to complete your transaction. So guys, I hope this video was able to guide you on how to use Turkey withdrawal method on Lollipop Live app. If this video was helpful, do all to like, comment, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.